Hey, high excess community. Ever wondered if you could make some extra cash by simply watching video ads? Today, I'll take you through a unique journey where watching a mere 30-second video ad could land you anywhere between 50 cents to a whopping $10. And guess what? You could rack up an average of $265 just from this. The best part? It doesn't matter if you're from the USA, India, Pakistan, Nigeria, or anywhere else on the globe, this strategy works universally. Let me reveal a platform that's gaining rapid trust amongst users. Holding on to your excitement? Alright, I won't keep you waiting any longer. The platform I'm talking about has an impressive 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot, with over 25,000 users vouching for it. That's some solid proof it's a genuine way to earn online. First things first, hop onto their registration page. It's super straightforward. Just enter your email, set up a password, pop in your first and last name, choose your gender, and voila, you're in. You'll notice a balance of 0, but that's about to change real fast. Navigate to the Earn section, and this is where magic happens. Among various methods to make some cash, our focus today is primarily on watching videos. But for the adventurous ones, know that you can also dive into fun games, simple surveys, get cash back on shopping, or tackle micro-tasks to grow your balance. If you're digging this so far and want more of such insightful content, hold up. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. We're always sharing valuable content, and we'd love for you to be part of the High Excess family. Now diving back in, how does it work? Just click on Watch Videos, and based on your location, you can earn varying amounts. For folks in the US or Canada, you might see amounts ranging from $7 to $10 per video ad, while others might earn between 50 cents to $5. But hey, no worries. Every cent counts, and it adds up. Curious about this platform's name? It's called paidwork.com. Once you're registered and ready to watch video ads, you'll need to download their mobile app. It's available for both Android and iOS users. The interface is user-friendly. Just select Watch Videos, choose an ad, watch, and witness your earnings shoot up. But I've got another gem for you. A second platform that's equally exciting, and is my personal favorite. GrabPoints.com is its name. Not only can you watch YouTube video ads to earn, but they also provide a plethora of other tasks and surveys to maximize your potential earnings. Alright, let's dive a little deeper. High Excess fam. You might be wondering, how sustainable is this method of earning? Or, what are the intricacies of such platforms? I get it, diving into the unknown can be intimidating. But fear not, for I've got your back. Let's talk about sustainability. The digital advertising industry is booming. Brands are more eager than ever to get in front of potential customers, and they're willing to pay for it. When you watch these video ads, you're actually participating in a vast ecosystem where advertisers pay platforms to get their content viewed. These platforms then share a fraction of that payment with viewers. That's you. So, as long as there's advertising, which, let's face it, is always going to be around, there's money to be made. Now, on to the intricacies. The rate at which you're paid for watching ads varies. As I mentioned earlier, geography plays a part. But did you know that the type of ad, the advertiser, and even the time of year can affect rates? For instance, during festive seasons, advertisers are in a frenzy to get their products noticed. This often means higher pay rates for you as a viewer, maximizing earnings. While watching videos is our primary focus, I urge you to explore other avenues on these platforms. Why? Because diversifying your tasks can lead to more consistent earnings. Think of it this way. If for some reason there's a lull in available video ads, you can quickly switch to taking surveys or trying out games. It's all about adaptability. Engagement matters. Platforms prioritize and sometimes reward engaged users. What does this mean? If you're consistently active, regularly completing tasks, and often withdrawing earnings, platforms might offer you bonus tasks or higher paying opportunities. It's their way of saying thank you for being a loyal user. Community and support. Another feature to highlight is the sense of community these platforms foster. Most have forums or chat groups where users exchange tips, share experiences, and sometimes even post bonus codes for extra earnings. Engaging with this community not only can increase your earning potential, but also makes the entire process more enjoyable. Finally, let's touch upon withdrawal strategies. It's tempting to withdraw your earnings as soon as you hit the minimum payout. But here's a pro tip. Some platforms offer bonuses or higher conversion rates if you wait for a larger payout. So, patience can indeed be rewarding. Moreover, consider diversifying where you withdraw. While PayPal is universally accepted, exploring other payout options like gift cards can sometimes fetch you additional bonuses. Plus, these gift cards can be perfect gifts for birthdays or anniversaries, saving you shopping time. As we wrap up, always remember to explore the referral program. Referring friends or online acquaintances can earn both of you $10 each. It's like sharing a pie of prosperity. Deep dive into referrals. We touched upon the referral system earlier, but let's dissect it a bit more. Referrals can be the secret sauce to turbocharge your earnings. Every person you bring on board is not just a one-time bonus. Think of them as continuous streams of passive income. Every task they complete, every video they watch, a tiny fraction gets credited to you. Now, imagine having 10, 50, or even 100 active referrals. But how do you get referrals? Beyond friends and family, consider sharing your experiences on social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or even Facebook groups centered around online earning can be gold mines. Crafting an honest review of your journey, complete with screenshots of your earnings, can be a convincing tool. The art of multitasking. Another tip for our dedicated high-excess audience is multitasking. While it sounds simple, doing it effectively is an art. Picture this. You're watching a video ad on one platform on your computer, while simultaneously taking a survey on another using your smartphone. Not only does this save time, but it also multiplies your earnings. Efficiency is key. Stay updated. Platforms frequently roll out updates, promotions, or special tasks. Being in the know ensures you don't miss out on these golden opportunities. How? Subscribe to their newsletters, follow them on social media, or regularly check their announcements section. Sometimes these platforms have special days where they give out bonuses or increased pay rates for tasks. You want to be first in line when that happens? Understanding ad categories. Different ads belong to varying categories. Lifestyle, tech, beauty, sports, to name a few. Often platforms allow you to choose your preference. My advice? Opt for categories you're genuinely interested in. It makes the viewing experience more enjoyable, and you're less likely to skip or get bored. Plus, some high-end brands in categories like tech or beauty might have higher payouts. Feedback is power. Many platforms have a feedback or review system for the ads you watch. Engage with this. Not only does it show you're an attentive viewer, but platforms might prioritize or reward users who give consistent feedback, leading to more tasks or even higher paying ones. Safety first. A critical reminder for our high-excess community: always ensure your data's safety. Stick to reputable platforms. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information unless absolutely necessary, and regularly update your passwords. Exploring beyond the horizon. While we discussed two incredible platforms today, the online space is vast. Venture out and research. There might be newer platforms offering introductory bonuses or even higher pay rates to attract users. Being an early adopter in such cases can be quite beneficial. Wrapping up, the world of earning through video ads is as dynamic as it is rewarding. Continuous exploration, learning, and adapting. The digital realm is brimming with opportunities. It's all about seizing them. Thanks for sticking around with High Excess. Your quest for knowledge and betterment resonates with us. If this deeper exploration shed new light on your online earning journey, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's continue this journey of discovery and prosperity together.